Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. I have something special for you. This is the Flight 1952 CFX 011 Aviation watch by Chronofixe. So this one is a special piece, especially with the presentation. It is different than the other boxes that I presented to you guys. So let's get started. So this brand, Chronofixe, is actually built on Aviation, which is pretty cool. So the rotating bezel is supposed to be able to calculate division, multiplication, speed, distance, and fuel consumption, which is pretty cool, which is pretty unique. And if you see, the box that it comes in is not a traditional box. It's pretty thin, so it's not the bulky case that you've seen in the previous videos. Real quick, I'm sorry, we'll do a wristwatch check. I'm wearing the Belova Marine Star subdial watch. This one's a pretty cool watch. I like this one a lot, especially with the blue. 100 meters. So let's get into the watch. So it comes in a full leather booklet, in a way. Nothing else in the box really. It's just the outer box. That's really nice leather. Comes with the warranty card, obviously, date of purchase and who you purchased it from. I bought this off their website. Obviously, I've taken the links out so it fits my wrist. So let's get into it. Look at that. So it comes with a Chronofixe tag. It is a beautiful, beautiful watch piece. Look at that. It's also pretty unique that it comes in just a plain leather, I don't know, something unique. It's not the traditional bulky, leather contraption that watches usually come with. So it's just a thin piece, which is pretty cool. And it buckles just in like that. This is really good leather. This is very impressive, especially for a micro brand. All right, let's get into the watch. Okay, let's get in depth into the watch. So this is Chronofixe. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. It is an automatic watch. I don't have many quartz watches in my collection. It does have the 12, 3, 6, and 9 that luminate. Has illuminated markers, which is pretty nice, and the hands illuminate as well. It is a date sapphire crystal case, or glass, sorry. And it does have a rotating bezel as well. Hope you can hear that, those teeth. It's very nice. One of the things that I chose about this watch that is different than the others is because of the strap. So usually Jubilees consist of, multiple pieces of stainless steel that make up the strap, or the bracelet, I'm sorry. But this one is quite unique, which I've never seen before. So it's got the small connectors there, and it's got the like pretty much a typical band there. So that is pretty unique, which I really liked. The buckle is a deployant clasp with the logo engraved on it very nicely too. A little thing about the watch, it is a 40 millimeters, which seems a little small on my wrist, but 40 is 40. Case thickness is about 12 millimeters. It is made out of 3/16 solid stainless steel for the strap and case. This bezel is made out of ceramic, which is pretty nice. The movement is an automatic 9015 movement. It is, like I stated, it is a sapphire glass case with AR coating. So, water resistance about 200 millimeters. It's roughly 660 feet. Let's take a look at behind the watch. Japanese movement, stainless steel, water resistant, obviously. And it is pretty subtle with the escapement back piece. Very nice. And it does state on the back that it is a Miyota Japanese movement, which is pretty common for most watches, especially for the price point. This ranges around $900 to $1,000. It's not bad. It is you can, dive with it. It does have a screw down crown. It is a very nice watch. So it is pretty unique. I don't have many watches in my collection that have a white face, especially with illuminating dial markers and hands. So it does have quite a good second hand. So it's not sweeping precisely, but it is pretty close to it. So let's see how that differs from the Marine Star that I currently have on. And it is dead. I wasn't aware that it was dead, but I am now. So, oh well. Well, let's see if it works. It is supposed to be a chronograph, and it is not working. So unfortunately, that watch will probably have to be in the trash. So, and the outer dial does not work anymore. Well, that would be the reason why. Alrighty, forget that one then. There you go. There is the Chronofixe. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If not, please correct me. That is the Chronofixe watch. It is very nice. Fortunately, when I did receive it, I was missing a screw. So hopefully they don't do that with all their watches, but I am still a fan. Let's get some close-ups. So you can see here, automatic bottom, the illuminating markers, the miles per hour that you can track the miles per hour that you're going. Scientific reasons, obviously, but it's pretty cool. So let's try this watch in nighttime. See what it looks like in the night. As you can see, it's got pretty good illuminating markers. It's pretty impressive for the nighttime. I will say that. So. And that is the Chronofixe automatic pilot's watch. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Keep this channel alive, and more content will come. I appreciate all you. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.